Guys, it's 8:10. Hey guys, today we're making some cornmeal porridge, and this is some coconut milk that I had in the fridge, so I'm gonna add some salt to it, just a little salt. You see that? I'm gonna add 2 cinnamon leaf. I'm gonna also add some cinnamon stick. Give it another minute or 2. Add some refined cornmeal. And I'm gonna add some water. So to that now, I'm gonna add the cornmeal stick before you add it. Alright. I'm gonna add this. So you gotta have this stove on low, and this is what you're gonna see. So all you do is just occasionally you just stir it so it don't get the lump. Move all of them somewhere. Evaporated milk. Spoonful of sugar. Alright, I'm supposed to grate it or something, but I'm still on. So we will go again. Grate as much as you want. Taste this. If it's okay, you leave it. If you need something else, add it. To me, this needs a little more sugar. So I got sugar. I want to use a spoon and do. Alright, I'm gonna share a bowl right now. So, what can go so? So, we're gonna put this all over it in the porridge. It's a Jamaican thing.